Oof, talk about a dreary forecast. But that's Chicago in February for ya. I think fixing up some depression dogs will be very fitting. So let me brush this snow off of my grill cover and get my Weber Q prepped. So what exactly is a depression dog? Well, it's quite possibly the original Chicago hot dog. Legend has it that the depression dog was born in the 1930s during a very difficult and anxious era. Unlike Chicago-style hot dogs you get today, the depression dog omits some fixings like pickles, tomato, and celery salt. I guess that must have been luxurious for the time or something. Anyways, I'm going to preheat my grill here and be back with my all-beef Franks. So after 15 minutes of preheating, I have turned my Weber Q's heat down to low, and I'm going to go ahead and add my hot dogs directly to the grill. I actually typically like to parboil my hot dogs first, like I did in my previous video, but you know, some days like today when it's cold out, it's just easier to go straight on the grill. Again, just be sure to use a low heat so that your hot dogs don't crack, split, and dry out. Check on your hot dogs maybe every 3 to 4 minutes or so and give them a roll and a turn so that each hot dog gets some good color and good sear marks on every surface. When all is said and done, you will be cooking these hot dogs for about 8 minutes total. And as we near the end of our cook time, you'll see that these hot dogs have some nice color and char all over them. So I'm going to give them one last turn and then lay down a couple of buns to toast them up. And once they're all on, shut the lid and let this go for one final quick minute. 1 minute later, 8 minutes of total cook time have elapsed and everything can now come off the grill. So let's go assemble these depression dogs. And the first step is you'll see I've added one hot dog to each bun, as well as piled on a stack of French fries. And the first topping on these hot dogs are, of course, in true Chicago style, yellow mustard. No ketchup allowed here. Next up, I'm going to add some sport peppers to each one of my depression dogs. If you can't find sport peppers in your area, you could substitute things like banana pepper or pepperoncini. Something with a mild, sweet, and tangy flavor works best. Anyways, once all your sport peppers are on board, next up comes some raw white onion, diced. Add as much or as little as you want, but I find more is better. And the final topping on this depression dog is some relish. Again, notably missing from this hot dog are tomato slices, pickles, and celery salt. I guess those are luxuries reserved only for when times are rolling. Anyways, here's a look at your fully assembled Chicago depression dog made on a Weber Q. They look pretty good, but how exactly do they taste on this dreary winter February day? Yeah, that's going to be a big thumbs up for me. I should finish this up inside, but it's so good I'm going to have another bite. And don't forget your fries as well. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Be sure to like and subscribe. Stay warm, stay safe, and stay healthy, and I will see you all again next week.